3 homemade remedies for a cough. A cough is a common health issue, which occurs when your throat or upper air passages are irritated. This is your body's response when your brain thinks there is a foreign object in your throat that needs to be removed. A cough can be caused by viruses and bacteria. However, the most common causes are the common cold, flu, and other respiratory tract infections. Because this health problem comes with adverse symptoms such as itchiness in the throat, chest pains, and a feeling of congestion, people who experience this typically look for treatments that will provide relief quicker. In this video, we will discuss 3 of the most effective natural home remedies that you can make using readily available ingredients from your own home. Turmeric. Turmeric is most effective for a dry cough. To make natural cough remedies using turmeric, follow these procedures. 1. Heat a half cup of water in a pot. 2. Add a teaspoon of turmeric powder and a teaspoon of black pepper. Bring this to a boil for 2 to 3 minutes. You can also include cinnamon sticks if you want. 3. Add a tablespoon of honey and drink daily until your cough is gone. Alternative. Pour 1 cup of water in a pot. Add a teaspoon of turmeric powder and a teaspoon of carom seeds. Bring this to a boil until the liquid is about half a cup left. Add honey and drink twice or thrice daily. If turmeric root is available instead of turmeric powder, you can also roast it and then grind it until it becomes powder. Combine the resulting smooth powder with water and honey, and then consume twice daily. Lemon. Because this fruit is rich in vitamin C, it is effective for fighting infections and minimizing inflammation. There are a variety of ways you can use lemon to treat a cough. The 2 most effective ways are as follows. 1. Create a natural cough syrup by mixing 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice with a tablespoon of honey. Consume several times daily until your condition improves. 2. Blend freshly squeezed lemon juice with honey and a bit of cayenne pepper. Drink this daily. Ginger. Ginger can soothe your throat, suppressing coughing, and provide relief from pain. You can use ginger as a natural cough remedy by doing these steps. 1. Slice fresh ginger into tiny pieces and crush them. 2. Add the ginger in 1 cup of water in a pot and boil for a few minutes. 3. Drink this around 3 to 4 times per day to get relief from congestion or constant coughing. Note: to improve the taste, you can also add lemon juice and a bit of honey. Alternatively, you can also chew on raw ginger throughout the day until the symptoms improve. The best thing about these home remedies is that they can effectively provide relief from your cough symptoms without inducing adverse side effects. Compared to cough syrups and pills or tablets, these natural solutions are not only safer, but they are also inexpensive. However, if your cough symptoms did not improve within 2 weeks, even after trying these remedies, it is recommended to consult with your physician. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.